To fix Bluetooth issues on the Redmi Note 14S, let me quickly show you what you can do to actually fix this problem. First of all, let's go into the settings, and from here let's go for the Bluetooth. And in case if you cannot, for example, connect to some device which you have paired here, I recommend you to actually turn this Bluetooth off and turn it back on, and then try to connect to your device. And in case if you still cannot connect to the device, I recommend you to actually unpair with your device and pair it back again. Try to pair it back, and this might fix your problem. In case if it's still not working or you cannot actually pair your device with your phone, I also recommend you to actually try to turn off and turn back on the device you're trying to pair, and this might also be the case. If it is not the case, then I recommend you to actually turn off and turn on your phone, like restart it, and this might also be the fix for your problem. But in case if it is not the problem, I mean it's not the fix for your problem and you still have the Bluetooth issues, then I recommend you to go for the settings and go into the more connectivity options, and from here scroll down all the way down and you will find the reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. As you go in there, here you can simply press this button to reset settings, enter your current screen lock, which in my case it is the pattern, and simply press OK to reset all of these settings. And this might actually fix your problem if there is still the problem. But in case if it still didn't fix your problem, then I recommend you to actually contact with the Xiaomi support and try to explain your problem to them. But these are all of these tips I could give you to fix Bluetooth issues.